What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pink smoky eye with a glitter cut crease. So if you want to see how I implement that into my eyes, then just keep watching. I already have the rest of my face done and I'm going to be putting on some NYX Full Coverage Concealer so this look can really just stay throughout the day and just hold well. You don't always have to use concealer whenever you're going to be, or like an eyelid primer whenever you're going to be doing eyeshadow, but I really do feel like it helps hold everything and it just kind of locks it into place. So I'm going into my LauraLee Los Angeles Cat Pajamas palette. I absolutely love this palette. I do have a review on this palette, so if you're interested in watching that, then go check it out. But I absolutely love just like the packaging and the names. It's really a cute palette. So I'm going to be going into Okie Dokie, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to be just setting that concealer with a fluffy brush. So next I'm going to be going into Bomb Diggity, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be going into my Lexi 249 Dual End brush. I'm going to be going into the fluffy side and just kind of work that into the outer corner, in the crease, and just kind of all over. Doing the same to the other eye. I feel like whenever I'm doing eyeshadow, like the eyes don't look the exact same every time. Like one eye might be better than the other, one eye might be blended more than the other, you know. Okay, so next I'm going to be going into Kooky, which is this shade right here, nice pretty burgundy shade. And just lightly go into that because this palette is so pigmented, it's insane. And I'm going to just lightly build up my pinks. Because I do want this to be like a rose goldy pink look. It's not going to be rose gold just because these pinks are darker, but I do want it to be pink. So next I'm going to be mixing In One Ear and Ridonkulous, cutest names ever. Mixing that so I can get my like pink rose gold look. And just blend like there's no tomorrow. Starting to get that pink look. Going back into the other eye. And if you're trying to follow anyone's tutorial, you have to make it your own. Like, it's probably not going to be exactly like who you're trying to follow or what you're aiming to look for, but as long as you make it your own and just kind of like play around with everything, you'll get what you want. Okay, so now I have my eyeshadow the way I want it. I'm gonna go in and kind of cut the crease a little bit. So I'm going to be using my NYX Full Coverage Concealer and the flat shader from the Urban Decay Naked One. And I'm just going to lightly go into this because and it takes a little bit to like play around and kind of get it the way you want. I'm going to put some more of the concealer over my lid just so I can define it a little bit more. And go in with no product also, because it helps just going over and just defining what you're trying to do. So now that I have it cut, I'm gonna do it to the other eye. So now I have my concealer on. Let me zoom you guys in just a little bit so you can see what I'm working with. So I'm going to go in with this, the flatter side of the Luxie 249. And I'm going to go in with Scatterbrain. This nice pretty like gold color. And just put that on top of my concealer. I'm kind of just packing on this color because I feel like sometimes glitter shades can be a little bit patchy, which I'm not really getting that with this, but just in case, pack it on. Alright, so this is what the look is looking like. Now I'm going to go in with my Revlon Color Stay Liquid Liner. This one right here, just to get a nice wing. Now do a wing on the other side. Messed up on that wing just a little bit, made it a little thicker than I was wanting. When in doubt and when you mess up, makeup wipes are life. It's just a little bit thicker than what I'm wanting. So just erase a little bit. So I'm going to leave it at that. Now I'm going to go in with my liquid crystal body liner from NYX, and I'm just going to define my cut crease. I really love this glitter liner. Take a little bit to dry, so fan it, because if you look up, you're going to get it everywhere. That's a good thing about makeup, is you can always fix your mistakes. There we go. Okay, so I have that the way I want. Keep looking down because it takes a while for it to dry. I just love glitter. I feel like glitter is everything. It's so fun. So let me keep looking down for a little bit and let this dry so it doesn't get messy. And I'm gonna do some mascara, and then I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Alright guys, I'm back. I have my mascara on and the glitter is dry. I'm going to zoom you in just so you can see the finished look. I feel like it's so pretty. I'm loving the look that I came up with. The glitter is very subtle, but yet it's still there. I did like a little cut crease, rose goldy, pink look, and I'm absolutely loving it. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I want to see some videos that y'all have done and any looks that y'all have created that maybe I should try out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. So this is my blue smoky eye. It's kind of like an emeraldy green blue, but I really am loving the look.